Everybody, welcome back to my Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel today. And today we are going to do a Rubik's Cube collection. These are all the cubes I have. I don't have any more. I'm not getting any more. So let's just start it. Here you go. The first cube is just this 2x2. I got this is the best cube ever. But it is the best cube ever I got because it's the easiest and it turns well. Wait a minute. What have I just done? Wait, I don't know how to solve it like this, but it turned okay. Next up is the Rubik's Cube 3x3. It turns really bad. It just locks up. It just locks up a lot. It just locks up a lot and it just locks up a lot and it never turns good. And that's all I can get. All I can get to. Next is the 3x3. This guy is the best 3x3 that turns, and you can see this. It turns really well. Next up I got was this Rubik's 4x4. This is the hardest Rubik's Cube I have here. And it turned okay, just with a bit of noises. Sometimes it just has a pop piece and you have to pop it back in place, which gets really annoying when you have to do it. It stopped. Next up I got was this Rubik's 3x3 pyramid, and what I got for this was it turns these and it only has 4 colours: green, red, yellow and blue. So you can only twist corners. So there's 1, 2, 3 colours on the edge, and 1, 2 colours on edge, like that, just like that. It's a pyramid. And the last cube I have is this Rubik's Cube. It turns okay for Rubik's brand. It turns okay for Rubik's brand. Sometimes it just. This is how it turns. Oh no, how do I solve this? Like this is. Oh, I turn it quite fast. Like I turn it fast like this. I just caught it on the Rubik's Cube, but just really annoying now. That's it. That's my Rubik's Cube collection by 2019. And there's still 3 I need to do to solve Rubik's. No, wait a minute. I just took a photo and I don't know what happened. So there's going to be a flash when I upload this on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you don't already have these cubes, then get them off the internet. Those are the only 6. Get the Rubik's 2x2, Rubik's brand 3x3, Landline 3x3, Rubik's 4x4, Rubik's 3x3 pyramid, and the Rubik's cube. Those are the ones you're looking for. Just a funny face to see make you laugh, but also share in the comments below which cube is your favourite. Just remember, one of the 3x3s is landline 3x3. That's the best turning one. And make sure to subscribe and find in the comments below. I want to know what is your favourite cube. Not a comment like this. Those cubes are amazing, because that's just gonna annoy me. So please make sure to subscribe. Make a comment of what is your favourite cube. Just a funny face to make you laugh. And I'm gonna solve the 3 other Angry Rubiks one day, but it just gets annoying on the screen because I don't know how to do it. So thank you very much. Also give it a like. Not a thumbs down, a like. So please subscribe, and then I love you.